What up, team? What up, family? What up, world? Yeah, we coming with another straight KOBK salute pressure indicator banger. I got my boy Mr. Jones on the call, and we gonna show y'all how to really use this pressure indicator to dominate these futures account. Y'all, we've been banging out these futures accounts, making guap in the morning, and you could do it anytime. I say you can do it anytime. So I want you guys to pay attention to what's about to go down and look how we enter these trades. I'm about to dive directly into what's already going on because we've been waiting on the setup. And now that I have one, it's a wrap. Enjoy.
That's ridiculous, bro.
That was 5 minutes, $4,000.
That was ridiculous. That was ridiculous. Oh, I'm in that trade again. It's up $2,000, bro. It was up $2,000. That thing pulled back, so it's up 375.
Yeah.
Up 750. 8, 9, 900, 11, 10, 18, 23, 25, 3,000. I'm out. I just need to go there. I can take my money there.
Yeah, what? 3K. Yeah, dang. Yeah, you don't know.
What I want you guys to realize is that I was able to enter this trade off the area of interest. Guys, we have two zones. We have a buy zone and we have a sell zone. I was able to take a buy off the area of interest for the buy zone. And listen, you can take it to each level. You can take it to the fib. You can take it to the high and low trend line. You can take it to the signal line. You can take it to the above or below line. You can take it to the liquidity block. Look, just watch.
There it is right there. That's profit right there for me. I want to see if it's going to push past. There she go. 15. She hit it. She hit it. She may run some more. Oh, we out. We out right there.
So as you guys can see, price went and hit my line. I took my money and I got out. And as you see, I wanted it to go to the liquidity block, also to the color change line. And you're going to see exactly how it's pushing to the line. Every line is a TP. So I know you guys just seen the kill shot flash for a buy. It pulled back to my signal line. That's another entry for me to take it to the bottom of the liquidity zone. I am in profit. You guys see my finger is on the trigger. I am ready to close this trade as soon as it hits the bottom of the liquidity zone. What are we talking about? It's too easy. She's super close right now. Look how close she is. Come on, baby. Come on. Yo, shout out to Jones who brought more of this attention to exactly how to really use this in a more in-depth way. I created this never thinking about using it this way. Shout out this chef who put me on futures. Guys, we about to close out. We about to close.
That's it right there. $2,000. I'm out. I'm out right there. I'm out. I'm out, bro.
I'm still in.
I don't care what it do, bro. I'm out. I'm done.
Yeah. And boom, TP hit,
zone,
baby. Just like that.
Yeah,
pressure indicator. Y'all better use it. It's your boy, Dr.
Yeah.
Curry. We out.
Yeah, that's the top of that zone right there. 4K.
You closed out?
Yeah, I closed out. I just ended today with 58. 158.
And that's how you use the pressure indicator. This has been brought to you by a KOBK production. And you guys make sure you tune in to the Blitz Marathon this Friday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Sign up. The link is in my bio. And make sure you tune in Monday and Tuesday for the nightclub with Dr. Bethley, aka Logic Mix, Chef Yarneezy, the Pit Master, and myself, Dr. Curry. Let's get it. Yo, Jones, you got anything for the people?
Nah, I got nothing, bro. Happy trading.
We out. It's a happy trade.